Guys, it's day 12 here in Sri Lanka, and yes, look at this garden. We had breakfast just here, and now we're going to see the tea plantation of Pedro in Nuwara Eliya. And yeah guys, if you're new, subscribe to my channel. Please drop a like, it really helps me out. Hope you enjoy this vlog, and let's go guys. We finally arrived to Ella. It was like 2.5 hours. I thought it was gonna be 1 hour, but look at this guys. So many people, so crowded guys. Wow. We just arrived guys, look at this crazy stuff. Oh my god, I feel like in Bangkok. Look at this. Guys, it's been 10 minutes. Look at the crowd behind me, still going on. This is why I hate heavy tourism. Look at all the beautiful birds of our hotel. Wow. Look at this beautiful color, guys. Guys, we are here right now for lunch, guys. It's called Garden View in Ella.
Il y a des poissons aussi, personne n'a réagi sur les poissons.
Il est où les poissons? Non, les poissons, j'ai commandé justement les poissons. C'est quoi la patate? Est-ce que tu penses qu'en prenant une petite voix comme ça, il va plus
C'est qui ta maman? Pourquoi t'es tout
vraiment
seul?
des bâtards.
Pourquoi t'es tout seul?
G7X put way too much light, but it's almost dark.